Good morning, children. How are you today? I hope and pray that you are keeping fine. Okay. So we are studying lesson number 8, seasons. Okay, we have done half. Okay. So already we have studied what is season. Okay, and there are 5 seasons we know. Okay, so we discussed already summer, winter, rainy, autumn. Okay, 3 already we have completed. Now we will study about winter season. Okay, so December and January are the coolest months. Okay, and this season we call winter. Okay, children. Yes, and in really cold places it snows in winter. Okay, and cold wind blows at night. Okay, and people used to light fires and use heaters to stay warm. Okay, and people prefer woolen clothes. Okay, children, if you don't wear woolen clothes, you may get sick. Okay, yes, so people prefer woolen clothes in particular season. Okay, yes, so now come to spring. Okay, spring season. Okay, by the end of February month, again air gets warmer. Okay, and everywhere you can see seasonal flowers bloom. Okay, and you can notice that bees, the birds, butterflies, they are busy, and very active in doing their duties, sucking the honeys from flowers. Okay, so this season looks everywhere, we can see flowers. Okay, and we feel that nature is happy. Okay, all are happy, bees, birds, butterflies, all around there. So, and when new seasonal flowers bloom, so all surroundings, all around, we can see everywhere flowers. Okay, so this season called spring. Okay, yes. Now weather. Okay, so weather, what is weather? Okay, we have to understand. Not all days of a season is alike. Okay, some days are very hot than others. Some days are cloudy, rainy. Okay, yes. So some days in winter, uh, uh, very cold days than others. Okay, and summertime, some days are very hot. Okay, so weather means how hot, how cold a day is. Okay, and it also means how sunny, how cloudy, how rainy. Okay, a day is. Okay, children. Yes. So we have completed our lesson. Okay. Come to exercise. Okay, A. Fill in the blanks. See, I am reading 29. All of you open page 29. 29. See, down it is written. Okay. We are doing this exercise. Okay. Fill in the blanks with words from the boxes. Okay. See, boxes are here. Answers are given. Okay. We have to pick correct one and we have to pick. Okay. Number 1. In summer, we wear dash clothes. Summer, what kind of clothes we prefer to wear? Cotton clothes. Okay, children? Yes, cotton. Right here, number 1, cotton. Number 2, the season between winter and dash is spring. Winter and spring. Middle where which season comes? Summer season. Okay, children? Yes. Right. Number 3, some trees dash their leaves in late autumn. Some trees shed their leaves in late autumn. Number 4, there are flowers everywhere in which season? Just now I told you spring season. Okay, children? Right. Number 5, the dash come in June or July. Rains. Yes, right. The rains come in June or July. Monsoon starts. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Now come to B. Match the months with the seasons. Okay. So I will tell you. Okay, children. Can you see on the board? B. B here. Okay. This question. Okay. Match the months. Match the months with the seasons. Okay. We have to match the months with seasons. Okay. Yes. So May. Right? This side, left side given May, March, July, October, December. Okay. And right side is given rainy, winter, summer, spring, autumn. Okay. 5 seasons we have learned. See 5 seasons. Okay. So we'll see which season comes in which month. Okay. May. May month which spring comes, which season comes? Tell me. May. Tell me. Summer season comes. Okay, children? Yes. So write here 1. Okay. Yes. Okay. March. March. Which season comes? Spring season. Okay. 2. Write like this. Okay. Number 3. July. July. Which season comes? We are rainy. Okay. Number okay. October. Which tell me October. Which season comes? Here autumn is left and winter. Which season comes? Autumn. Okay. Number 4 out. Okay. And December. Last one is winter. Okay. December. Winter season comes. Okay. On December. Okay. Come to next page. C. Okay. Page number 30. C. Which seasons do these pictures show? Okay. So here pictures are given according to seasons. Okay. So we have to find out. We have to guess which season this picture tells. Okay. Yes. So first one, just look all of you. First one. Okay. First one, just look this picture carefully. Which season it tells? Can you guess? See, all are wearing warm clothes and everywhere ice is fallen. They are cleaning ice. Okay. Tell me this. Winter season. Okay. Yes. So write winter here down. Okay. Next one. Look everywhere, see, so nice flowers, beautiful flowers. Which season we can see seasonal flowers? I told you, spring season. Okay, write down spring. Spring. Okay. Third picture, see, all are feeling very hot and taking bath. See, yeah, playing in water. When we feel very hot, every season, summer season. Okay, yes, right. Come to D. Draw something to show the season you love the most. Okay, which season do you like the most? You have to here draw the season. Okay, not so very difficult picture. You just make it just easy. Okay, which one? How you feel easy picture? You can draw here. Okay, according to season. Okay, it's not like if you see if you like spring season, just draw flowers. Okay, different flowers. Enough. Okay, yes. And winter season, people they wear warm clothes. So just show people are wearing warm clothes. Okay, yes. And summer, see how don't you cannot draw this so be hard picture. Yes, summer. Okay, sun is very hot and people are eating ice cream and drinking water. Yes, that is enough. Okay, any season, which season you like the most. Okay, that particular season only you draw it here. Okay, yes, and if you don't know how to draw, you can stick the picture. Okay, that particular season picture you can paste it here. Okay, that is also okay. Okay, yes. So we have completed our lesson here. So I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care of yourself and be happy, study well. Okay, children? Bye-bye.